English Podcast Boost. Learn, speak, improve.
Hello everyone. Welcome to English Podcast Boost channel, the podcast for beginners. I am Sarah.
And hello from me. I am Alex. We are very happy you are listening today.
Yes, this podcast is for English learners. We speak slowly and we use simple words.
That is right, Sarah.
Free time. I love free time. Alex, what do you do in your free time?
Well, on weekends, I have a lot of free time. I like sports. I play football with my friends on Saturdays.
Oh, football. That is great exercise. Do you play in the morning or in the afternoon?
We play in the morning, at 10 a.m. After football, I am always hungry. So I go to a cafe and eat a big lunch.
Building an appetite. What about Sundays? Do you play football on Sundays too?
No, Sunday is my relaxing day. On Sundays, I stay at home. I read books, and sometimes I watch movies. What about you, Sarah? What are your hobbies?
I don't play sports, Alex. I prefer creative hobbies. I love cooking. In my free time, I cook new food for my family.
Wow, cooking. Is it difficult?
No, it is not difficult. It is fun. I also like music. I listen to music when I cook. It makes me happy.
That sounds very nice. What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music. It is energetic. Do you like music, Alex?
Yes, I do. But I don't just listen to music. I play the guitar.
Really? You play the guitar? That is amazing!
Thank you. I am not a professional, but I practice for 30 minutes every day. It helps me relax after work.
I think hobbies are very important for everyone. They help us forget about stress.
I agree, Sarah.
Now, let's look at some important words from our conversation today.
Our first phrase is free time. Free time is the time when you do not work or study. For example, I read books in my free time.
The second word is hobby. A hobby is an activity you do for fun. Cooking and playing the guitar are hobbies.
Next is the verb to practice. To practice means to do something again and again to get better. I practice the guitar every day.
And our last word is relaxing. It means something that makes you feel calm and peaceful. For example, a warm bath is very relaxing. We have a question for you, our listeners. What do you do in your free time? What is your hobby?
You can write your answers in the comments in English. Practice is very important.
And please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make better videos for you.
Yes, thank you for your support.
I'm Sarah.
And I'm Alex. We are so happy you're here again.
Today we're talking about something everyone has.
That's right, our daily routine.
Let's start. Alex, what time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock.
7? That's early.
Not really. I like mornings.
I wake up at 8.
Do you get up right away?
No. I stay in bed for about 10 minutes.
Me too, sometimes.
What do you do first?
First, I wash my face. Then, I brush my teeth. After that, I drink a big glass of water.
That's a healthy habit. I usually make coffee first. I really love coffee.
Coffee before breakfast?
Yes, coffee makes me happy.
What's your favorite breakfast?
I like eggs, cheese, and bread. Sometimes I eat fruit too. What about you?
I usually eat cereal or yogurt. Sometimes I don't have much time.
Do you cook breakfast?
No, I'm not a very good cook.
Maybe one day you'll learn.
Maybe.
What do you do after breakfast?
I start working. I work on my computer. Sometimes I have many meetings. Sometimes I answer lots of emails.
Me too. I also study English every day. Even 20 minutes is helpful.
That's a great idea. Small practice every day is better than studying only once a week.
Exactly.
What do you do at lunchtime?
I usually eat around 1 o'clock. I like rice, chicken, or pasta. What about you?
I usually eat a sandwich. Sometimes I order food.
What's your favorite drink?
Orange juice. And yours?
Tea. I drink tea almost every afternoon.
What do you do after work?
I like walking in the park. Sometimes I read a book. Sometimes I watch YouTube. What about you?
I go to the gym 3 times a week. On other days, I watch movies or listen to music.
That sounds relaxing. Do you watch TV every day?
Not every day. I usually watch something on my phone. What about you?
I prefer YouTube. There are so many interesting videos.
Especially English learning videos.
Of course!
What time do you usually have dinner?
Around 7. And you?
Around 8. Then I spend some time with my family or friends.
That's nice. Family time is important.
Do you read before bed?
Sometimes, reading helps me relax.
I usually listen to calm music. It helps me sleep.
What time do you go to bed?
Around 11. And you?
Almost the same. I try to sleep early.
So, Sarah, do you like your daily routine?
Yes, it's simple, but I'm happy with it. Every day is a chance to learn something new.
I like that.
Thank you so much for listening to episode 2 of English Podcast Boost.
We hope this conversation helped you practice your English.
Now it's your turn. Write 1 or 2 sentences in the comments about your daily routine. For example, I wake up at 7 o'clock and I drink coffee every morning.
We'll read your comments, and maybe we'll use some of them in a future episode.
If you enjoyed this podcast, please like this video
Subscribe to the channel.
and turn on the notification bell.
Every new episode will help you improve your English step by step.
Thanks for listening. Boost. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Alex. We are happy you're here today.
Today we are talking about food.
Everyone loves food.
That's true. Let's begin. Alex, what's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza. I love pizza with cheese and mushrooms.
That sounds delicious. My favorite food is pasta. I like pasta with chicken.
Do you cook pasta at home?
Yes, I cook it every weekend.
Wow. Are you a good cook?
I think so. My family likes my food.
That's wonderful. I don't cook very often. I usually make sandwiches.
Sandwiches are easy to make. What's your favorite drink?
I like orange juice. Sometimes I drink water. What about you?
I love tea. I drink tea every afternoon. Sometimes I drink coffee in the morning.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I usually eat eggs and bread. Sometimes I eat fruit. And you?
I usually eat cereal with milk. It's fast and easy.
What do you eat for lunch?
I usually eat rice with chicken. Sometimes I eat a hamburger. What about you?
I like salad and rice. Sometimes I eat fish.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, my favorite vegetables are tomatoes and cucumbers. And yours?
I like carrots and potatoes.
What fruit do you like?
I like apples and bananas. They're sweet and healthy.
My favorite fruit is strawberries. They are very tasty.
Do you eat dessert?
Sometimes I like ice cream, especially chocolate ice cream.
Me too. Chocolate is my favorite flavor.
Food makes people happy.
I agree. Good food and good friends are the perfect combination.
Let's learn some new words.
Our first word is delicious. It means the food tastes very good. Example: this pizza is delicious.
The second word is healthy. Healthy food is good for your body. Example: fruit is healthy.
Next is favorite. Favorite means the thing you like the most. Example: my favorite drink is tea.
Our last word is dessert. Dessert is sweet food after a meal. Example: I like ice cream for dessert.
That's all for today's episode. We hope you learned some new English words.
Now it's your turn. What's your favorite food and drink? Write 2 simple sentences in English. For example, my favorite food is pizza. My favorite drink is tea.
We'll read your comments. Maybe your answer will be in our next episode.
Please like this video
Subscribe to our channel.
and turn on the notification bell.
Every episode helps you improve your English little by little.
Thanks for listening.
Bye, everyone.